Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable vibrations for incoming calls in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to enable vibration for incoming calls, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for sounds and vibrations, and here you will get a simple setting which is vibrate high or ringing. So you must have to enable that toggle. Just tap on it and it will be enabled. Once you have enabled, now you just have to scroll down for further settings. Here's the call vibration. Just tap on it, and here you must have to enable that for all sim 1 or sim 2. Once you have enabled, you'll get the vibration intensity. Here just tap on it, and from here you can easily manage your phone vibration. So that's how you can easily enable vibrations for incoming calls in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.